Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we are driving into Bad VVT Solenoid, the VVT, variable valve timing. Solenoid is responsible for delivering oil pressure to the camshaft actuator, helping to advance or retard the timing of the camshaft. Some manufacturers refer to it as an oil control valve, while brands like BMW call it vanos. Depending on the manufacturer, there are even more names for this component. Typically, the VVT solenoid is located at the top of the engine near the camshaft, though its exact position may vary between different vehicles. Additionally, some engines have more than one VVT solenoid. If you were having trouble locating it, I'll leave a great repair manual in the description below. Symptoms of a bad VVT solenoid. Number 1. Check engine light. One of the first signs of a failing VVT solenoid is an illuminated check engine light. Here are some diagnostic trouble codes that may appear. You can scan these codes using an OBD2 scanner. I'll include a recommended one in the description below. Number 2. Strange engine noises. A failing VVT solenoid can cause knocking or rattling sounds, especially when starting the car. This occurs because the camshaft actuators are not receiving adequate oil pressure. As a result, the internal metal components of the camshaft actuator may produce a rattling noise. Number 3. Poor fuel economy. If you notice that you're visiting the gas station more frequently, a faulty VVT solenoid could be to blame. Since the timing of the camshaft is disrupted, your engine may burn more fuel than necessary. Number 4. Engine stalling. A malfunctioning solenoid can disrupt valve timing, leading to improper combustion. This can cause the engine to run rough and may even result in stalling while driving. Number 5. Poor acceleration. A faulty VVT solenoid can throw off the timing of the camshaft, leading to inefficient combustion. This results in reduced engine power and weak acceleration when pressing the gas pedal. Number 6. Limp mode, LP mode. If the issue becomes severe, your vehicle may enter limp mode, a safety feature designed to protect the engine. When in limp mode, your RPMs and speed will be limited and you'll likely be stuck in second or third gear. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment and don't forget to subscribe.